to our show.
Woji, Ara,
Kushi, Jordan,
at ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang
Zodiac at Lucky Charm.
Lucky Charm. Have you ever been asked what is your sign? Well, in Chinese culture, it's not about stars. It's about animals. Yes, animals. Alam niyo ba to?
Exactly, partner. The Chinese zodiac or Sinh has 12 animals that repeat every 12 years. That order is rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, at saka pig. Grabe!
Grabe. And legend says the Jade Emperor held a race and these animals finished in the order. Ang galing, diba?
Exactly, partner. Ang galing naman nun. And people that the animal of your birth year shapes your personality and luck. Dragons are powerful and lucky, while rabbits are gentle and kind. Ang tiger naman is brave and competitive.
Yes. And alam mo ba, partner? People even check zodiac to see who they are compatible with. Example, for love, friendship, and for business. Parang guide lang nila sa buhay, ganun.
Let's talk about luck in China naman, partner. In China, colors and numbers has special meanings. May malalim na meaning sila.
First up, red.
Yan, paborito
Yes,
ko rin.
kaya naka-red kami. You see red everywhere during festival. And red represents fire, joy, and good luck. It scares away bad luck and energy. And also, it's bring happiness. That's why we have red envelope or what we call here in Philippines, ampao. Yeah.
Ay, binibigay sa akin kada Chinese New Year.
Binibigay din yun ng ninong ko kapag.
Pero ngayon hindi na eh. Kasi tanda.
And also, hindi lang yon. Red decors, di ba?
At saka numbers ni partner. Number 8 is the luckiest number. Why? Because in Chinese, 8 sounds like wealth or fortune. People love phone numbers, license plates, and days with 8. Sobrang swerte daw nito ang partner.
Wow, lucky. Lucky number, ganun. But, you better avoid number 4.
Bakit?
Kasi, it sounds like word of death. So, it's usually considered unlucky. Malas daw.
Color and numbers, people use objects to attract good vibes.
Like jade. Chinese people love wearing jade. It's believed to protect you from harm and bring good health and good life.
And who can forget the laughing Buddha, partner?
Yes.
Putting his statue in the house or shop brings wealth, happiness, and relieves problems. They say the bigger the spirit, the more laugh you get.
Ganun pa ngayon.
Ay, ganun kami sa shop namin.
Wow. And we also have the Chinese nut. This beautiful red nut symbolizes unity and endless good fortune. They are perfect gifts.
For couples.
Yes, for friendship then.
Pati pagkain is lucky. Eating fish sounds like surplus. Surplus is meaning ito is have more than enough blessings every year. And noodles din. Alam niyo ba ang meaning ng noodles in Chinese? Yung wet dito pares na sa Pilipinas.
So, whether it's your animal sign, your favorite color, or lucky charm, this tradition show how Chinese culture values positivity and hope.
It's fun and interesting. It's still very much alive today. Sobrang interesting talaga dito.
Yes. We hope you learned something new today. That's it, Daja.
Zaijan! Paalam!